Divide and simplify if possible. X squared minus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 over x. This is different from the problems we've seen so far because it's a division problem instead of a multiplication problem. But we are equipped to deal with division because we have already done fraction division problems. To take one fraction and divide it by another, remember, we can just multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. And we can do the same thing with rational expressions. We can change a division problem into a multiplication problem by simply flipping the second fraction. So this is the same as x squared minus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 times x over x minus 3. If we take the reciprocal of the second fraction and change it to a multiplication, this is now just the same as the previous problems that we were looking at. So just like before, we need to factor all of the polynomials and look to see if anything cancels. The numerator, x squared minus 4x plus 3, can be unfoiled. We need two numbers that have a product of 3 and a sum of negative 4. That's going to be negative 3 and negative 1. The denominator can be similarly unfoiled, but we're looking for two numbers that have a product of 2 and a sum of negative 3. That's going to be negative 2 and negative 1. And then the other fraction is just x over x minus 3. Now, if we're looking for any common factors to cancel, we can see that there's an x minus 1 in the top and bottom. Also, there's an x minus 3 in the top and bottom. So when we cancel those out, we're left with just that x in the top and the x minus 2 in the bottom. And so our final answer is going to be x over x minus 2.